This is one of the fastest ways to grow your life insurance agency without spending weeks setting up software. You would end up spending months, completely wasted. And by the time you've built something, well, you've already lost dozens of leads. But what I'm going to show you in this video is going to bypass all of that. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a complete life insurance agency system. I'm talking AI agents, automations, websites, forms, everything all in one place that not only is going to save you a ton of time, but it's going to automate your entire lead gen process. And the best part is, guys, I'm going to give you this entire life insurance system for free in this video and show you how to set it up in minutes. Check it out. So first things first, I'm going to walk you through everything that is in this snapshot. This is a GoHighLevel snapshot. Again, I'm going to be giving to you this for free, but we have so much different stuff. AI agents, calendars, the whole 9 yards. So I'm just going to walk you through this. And again, if you're a life insurance agent or agency, this is perfect for you. You do not want to miss this. This could literally change your entire business. First things first, we have a killer website. It's SEO optimized, built to convert, and has so many different little things to close leads. So that's the first step. We have a website that's done for you and built out so you don't have to go through that. Next, we have an entire calendar system built out. Again, we can tweak this and add it. And guys, I'm going to show you how to set this up all in seconds. First, I'm just showing you what is in this amazing GoHighLevel snapshot. So that's the entire calendar system. We then have forms like this. They're going to go through basically life insurance stuff. We can also tweak this, but this is huge for lead capture because when you have forms, it goes hand in hand with AI agents and a bunch of other stuff. Guys, this is a legit AI agent. Yes, that we can set up in minutes. I'm talking about the ones that can talk to you on the phone like this. Like, check this out.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I am looking to sell my house.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house, exciting. Let's get started.
So as you saw right there, it's absolutely insane. And again, this one is pre-built out for you. We can even customize and use your name to talk to these leads. Yes, it is that powerful. So you get this as well. You're going to get this entire chat widget that goes on your website that looks like this. So we can talk to the agent. If we come back here, it'll go right there, which is really handy for closing leads. We also have an AI chatbot that's already set up. Again, guys, all of this is set up so you don't have to set it up. That is the beauty of this. You can get started in minutes, and this can really change anything. But what this is this is an AI chatbot. If we come back here, this will do all of your text-based conversations. So we have TikTok, WhatsApp, live chat, chat widget, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, and so much more all built in, right into your exact AI chatbot. So when an email comes in, it'll work your leads. A text, work your leads. Guys, I personally use this for everything. This is one of the most powerful features of GoHighLevel in this software. And if you're texting anyone or going back and forth, you need to be using this. This will save you hours worth of time. And yes, I use this for all my businesses, and I do thousands of conversations a month. People will be like, this isn't good enough. It is absolutely good enough because I use it. It's absolutely insane. So definitely check this out. This is an absolute game changer. So then after this exact AI chatbot, we have a life insurance pipeline. This is great for automating things because it's going to show you where all your leads are. You can see just like this, we can scroll through and we have all of this in one place. It is absolutely insane. We also have all the automations. This is so powerful. So when leads come in, we can message them. We can basically categorize them. This is how you get your time back. And we have all kinds of different ones. We actually have 7. Again, you get these all for free. We have new lead capture. We have appointment confirmation. We have appointment no-show. We have new sale, long-term nurture, stale leads, payment received. Again, if you do not believe that these are in here, let me just show you. Again, this is absolutely goated. If you have a life insurance agency, look at this. Boom. It's just so powerful. And they're already all pre-built out. Guys, I did this and set this up to save you time. That's my goal here. I don't want you going back and forth, wasting time setting up systems, because in the age of AI, what so many people are doing is they're getting paralyzed trying to set stuff up because AI can build stuff and they actually build the wrong thing. But with this, I've already built it for you. So all you have to do is go through the setup and then you are good to go. We also have email marketing templates, really impartial. This is really important. We got universal life, annuities, whole life, and term life. We can add more in here, but this is really important for you because these are already built out. So when it sends emails, it's already doing that with AI. Again, guys, we want to focus on you getting leads. And if you don't have the system pre-built out, you're gonna flounder and it's gonna suck. And then we have text message snippets. This is really important. These are pre-built out text templates that are gonna go out. Again, all of this is already built out. This is so critical. But again, as you guys see here, this is literally everything you're going to need, like everything. Very, very important. So that is essentially the entire snapshot. It has everything you could possibly need. And it's absolutely insane. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick recap of it, and then I'm gonna go to the most important part, which is how to set this up. And we're gonna do it fast so you can get in and get out quickly. If you have any questions during this video, guys, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer personally. I want this to be an interactive learning experience where we both learn. I get feedback, you get your answers, and we can roll out. So let's get ready to set this thing up, because as you see here, it is already all dialed. So the first step is we want to come to custom values in settings. Okay, if you don't know what custom values are, I have a whole other video on this. If you don't know what high level is in general and you're like, what the hell is this AI software he's talking about? Don't worry. Okay, drop a comment down below and I'll just send you a full tutorial that explains it. Okay, and if you want to try it out for free, I have a 30-day free trial down below, not a 14-day. If you go on the website, they say standard 14 days, but I honestly talked to the team and worked something out where you can just get 30 days. That way you can try this, and if you hate it, cancel. No sweat off your back. There's no high ticket coaching I'm trying to sell you. There's no course, none of that. I'm not trying to get you in some weird thing. You just get in, sign up, okay, and then you basically see if you like it. If you don't, you cancel. But what I'm doing on top of that to help your life insurance agency out is I'm also going to give you access to my community for free if you use high level under me. That way you can try it out to see if you like it. It'll be free forever if you're using high level, but it's got a ton of winners in here. Okay, we have trainings on literally everything. We have snapshots, we have tons of systems, all stuff done for you to build. But most importantly, we have up to 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free with a bunch of amazing coaches, as you see here. Okay, even ones with myself where you can talk to me face to face and whatnot. I mean, guys, we have calls on literally everything. We also, which is really cool, is we have real estate agency guys in here. We have life insurance guys in here. We have all kinds of different people from all walks of life that can help you. So again, if you're a life insurance agent or a life insurance agency, we have a lot of those guys in here that use this exact system. They use high level. Guys, you can get access to these people for free. And if you click these calls with me, they're literally free. I'm not saying, hey, come in, you have to pay me. No, I'm just giving you all of this to help you out so that you actually know how to use this AI powered software, because it is the greatest AI powered software in the world. And if you want a real system that works all the way, that actually solves the problems for your business, well, this is it. So again, this is all free right down below with that 30-day free trial. Again, if you don't like it after 30 days, you can cancel. The software is also super cheap. It's like 90 bucks. It's not expensive. And you're getting access to all of this other amazing stuff. Like, this community is at least worth $10,000 and you're getting it for free. There's no hidden fees. Like, you can literally go down below. It's not like as soon as you get in, I'm like, all right, now you got to pay for these calls. I'm not like these other jackasses. It's none of that. You just get in, you get it all for free. You can also message me whenever you want up in this right-hand corner. So that is essentially what this software is, if you did not know that, and you just go right down below to get your free access. But now let's go into setting this thing up, because we're going to set this up lightning fast. So when you come into settings, we're going to come into a thing called custom values. These are basically placeholders we have all around. So if we come back to this AI agent, you'll see there's custom values in here. So when we change these, it's going to change across the board that these AI agents work. Okay, it's going to be matching your business. And the only other thing we have to do is tweak this website to match your website, which is super easy. We're just going to talk to the vibe coder, which I'm going to show you in a sec. So first things first, you're going to come into settings, come down to custom values, and we're going to fill these out. So first thing is hours of operation. You need to come right in here. You need to click edit, and right in value, you need to put your hours. So put Monday through Friday, Tuesday through Wednesday, whatever your hours are, put them in here. This is very, very important. You want to go down below and plug these in. Okay, so first things first, plug in your hours, then click update. And then from there, you just fill out these other ones just like that, and then you're done. That simple. You can also come into business profile and tweak these things as well, and it'll change across the board. So that's really all you have to do to get all of this stuff matching your business. From there, though, we then want to tweak your website. So as we see here, this looks cool, but this website isn't matching any business. So let's say we want to make it Declan's, a life insurance agency. So we're going to do, please change this to Declan's. Again, this is just mock. You would obviously put in your real name, Declan's Life Insurance Agency, and make colors blue and red. So we're going to click enter, and it's going to actually go through and do this for us. So you can be a complete idiot with tech, and it's still going to do all of the work for you. So boom, it just finished. As you see, Declan's Life, it already goes through it, sets everything up. That's awesome. Changed the color scheme, it did everything. You see how fast that was? In seconds, it literally went through. I mean, it literally says thought for 6 seconds, goes through and changes everything to match my exact theme, what I want. So you just need to get in this vibe coder and literally make it match your life insurance agency or anything like that. Even if you're just an agent and you want to come in, you want to change the colors, the pictures, it's that easy. You just tell it what you want and it will change it. It's that simple. And it changes across the board like that. So that's what you want to do. From there, you get that all dialed, and then you're good to go. It's that simple. All of these assets, everything is already built out for you. All of the stuff I showed you, yes. The whole point is if you have a life insurance agency or you're a life insurance agent, is just to get up and started like that. That's the whole goal here. I don't want to waste a bunch of time of you playing with complicated software, going through what is going on. I want you to just get in, set it up, and launch. Okay, I'm also going to be doing some interviews with life insurance agents on High Level to show you this is legit. So if you're a life insurance agent watching this and you're like, I'm not fully sold, man, I got real guys using the software crushing with it. This is the best AI software you can find because everything is in one place and it is built to absolutely scale. A lot of these other softwares or AI tools out there, they look cool. Okay, and people are like, look how amazing this is. But when you get under the hood and they actually run volume, they break because they're not actually built to handle high volume. That's what people don't understand about this whole AI generation. There's a lot of stuff and it comes to running real businesses. You have to have database. You have to have all these things actually in place. Again, with this exact snapshot and everything, you get all of this, okay, for free. And it's already done for you. The emails, the AI agents, like you're saying, the pipelines, everything is done and dusted. You come right in, just like this, I'll show you. You'll get this snapshot. Once you get right in, right down below, and all you do is click import into your account, and all of this is going to get imported right into your account, downloaded, and then you're done. And also, if you're confused at all, you can always hop into my group for free, which you get access to when you sign up right down below. The 30-day free trial just automatically gets sent to you. It's all automated. And from there, you just be like, hey man, I need help. And you can hop on a call. Also, High Level has help if we come right over here, 24/7 support. So either way, we have you covered. Like you will get all of the handholding you need. You can also drop a comment down below if you have any questions, but it is that simple. So guys, if this interests you, make sure you go down below and you check out that 30-day free trial and you get in and you start learning this now. Guys, this could change everything for you. Cannot say this enough. So many people are sitting on the fence, wasting time, not properly setting up the systems. You got to set up your systems and you got to do it now. The world is moving fast with AI. And if you are a life insurance agent, you got to get ahead now. Okay. Again, these aren't scare tactics. This is just the truth. It's also, I'm giving you all this stuff for free. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. This is so critical that you do this. You have to do this. Otherwise you will be confused. But what I'm going to do now, since you understand all this and you see the 30-day free trial down below and you try it out if you want, I want to do something a little bit different, which is I want to link a video at the end of this video that's going to be going over basically what High Level is. It's a short tutorial. It's like 20 minutes. I'm just going to link that right there. It's going to be like a very much beginner guide to go High Level, how it works, so you understand exactly what this is. And then from there, if you like this, you can just hop in and check it out. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. Nothing complicated. This can be linked right here. Thank you so much for watching. Comments down below. Check out the 30-day free trial. And most importantly, watch the video that pops up right now.